don't actually have to do anything.
Well, oh, sorry. Yeah, welcome to another video. And today we're visiting AYSGARTH Falls, and it's rather cold, isn't it?
It's been snowing, something.
It's been snowing, yeah. Can you hear the falls? There they are. It's only less than 100 metres up here now to the upper falls. There they are. Woo! Zoom in a bit. Yeah, that's it. Apparently it's dry. Not today though. It's starting to snow again. This shows where we are. We're at the visitor centre at the moment, and we've been to the upper, and now we're going to the middle and the lower. Can you hear the falls again, Sue?
That's what I just...
Oh, you just said that, yeah. I was just doing this for effect. Yeah. We haven't got lost either, because it's way marked.
Very.
Follow the blue arrow. Take care. Yeah, it's a family of safety enthusiasts. Middle Falls. Oh, it's snowing again, yeah. This is the lower falls. So, did you like the falls?
I thought they were lovely. They were quite low. They weren't.
The low one at the end. Clue was in the fact that it was called Low Falls.
But the high falls was also quite small.
Yeah, it wasn't that high up, to be fair. What do you think out of 10?
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, definitely 10. They're wonderful.
10?
Yeah.
High
And we didn't get
watermark.
lost and stuff. So.
True. I'm going to give it 8.
What about the falls?
I had to pay for the parking. It lowered the score. See you later.